A brand new Japanese invention, priced at just $2,500, is being called the most unusual transport vehicle ever built, and some say it could change the industry forever. Imagine gliding through the streets inside a flawless crystal bubble, turning corners with zero effort, and watching the world spin around you. Sounds impossible? It's real, and it's only one of the incredible machines we'll uncover today. From flying bikes to sideways cars, we're counting down 9 futuristic vehicles that will challenge everything you thought transportation could be. Number 9. Richter Sky Rider X1. At CES 2025 in Las Vegas, the crowd on the show floor froze when a matte black scooter rolled forward, unfolded 4 carbon fiber arms, and lifted straight off the ground. No wires. No staged tricks. Just raw engineering. This was the Richter Sky Rider X1, a hybrid machine that blurs the line between street scooter and flying car. It is pretty compact when it is on the ground, just like an electric moped. However, switch it to flight mode, and those 4 arms reveal 8 stacked propellers that lift the bike and rider hundreds up into the air, and high enough to envelop them. Documents filed with the National Air Traffic Control confirm that this machine climbed to 656 feet and, at 62 miles, cruised steadily during its public demonstrations. And when the ride is over, the arms fold neatly back into the body, so this whole thing closes to the width of a standard motorcycle, ready to park at a curb or charge at a roadside station. The entry-level Spherical takes some 25 minutes of flying time, while the SX upgrade takes that closer to 40 minutes, about 40 miles maximum. When it is for hybrid use on the land, the number jumps to more than 112 miles per charge, sufficient for daily commuting and even weekend escapism. The Sky Rider X1, with a weight of 176 pounds, is able to carry a maximum payload of 264 pounds due to its powerful hub motors. Safety aspects incorporate triple redundancy in inspections of flight computer systems for takeoff and landing, as well as weather avoidance. In the rare scenario of total failure, the ballistic parachute activates in an instant. In urban traffic, 2 hours of gridlock could be reduced to a quick 15-minute flight through the skies. The Sky Rider X1 is priced between $50,000 and $60,000, and pre-orders sold out in just 48 hours. Hold on to your seat, the next vehicle doesn't just drive, it transforms before your eyes. Number 8. PAL V Liberty. On June 3, 2025, spotters at Breda International Airport witnessed something that looked more like science fiction than aviation. A sleek 3-wheeled coupe rolled down the service road, unfolded a massive 35-foot rotor, and slowly lifted into the sky. This was the PAL V Liberty, a Dutch-designed gyroplane that doubles as a street-legal car. At first glance, the Liberty looks like a futuristic sports trike, complete with gull-wing doors and sculpted carbon fiber panels. But beneath the body sit 2 Rotax engines, one powering the rear wheel for the road, the other driving a pusher propeller in flight. On the ground, the Liberty cruises up to 100 miles per hour, stretching nearly 820 miles on a full tank of regular unleaded fuel. In the air, it shifts into full gyroplane mode, cruising around 110 miles per hour with a range of 310 miles and endurance close to 4 hours. Transforming from the car mode to the aircraft mode would take about 5 minutes. A hydraulic mast lifts the rotor, the blades swing into place, and the tail boom extends for flight stability. The Liberty, unlike helicopters, features a rotor that freely rotates in auto-rotation. Therefore, should both engines fail, the aircraft can glide and land safely. It does not stop there. For ground handling, the Liberty borrows from the old Carver 1-powered motorcycle, allowing the cabin to tilt naturally into curves while on the road or banking through the air. By 2025, PAL V will overcome the hardest regulatory obstacles in Europe. The European Union Aviation Safety Agency was on board, and the green light was given by Dutch authorities regarding its roadworthiness. Certification in the US is underway, although for US owners, that means a sport gyroplane license will be required. The Pioneer editions are available for around $527,000. Sport editions start at roughly $316,000, and already about 300 orders have come in, meaning that over $150 million in total have come in. Number 7. Volonaut Airbike. On the very last day of April 2025, a quiet YouTube upload from Poland sent shockwaves through the aviation world. In the clip, a sleek matte black machine swoops low across a wooded valley, hovers on invisible thrust, then darts forward like something out of a science fiction film. This wasn't CGI. It was the Volonaut Airbike, a rotor-free flying motorcycle built in total secrecy for 2 years by Tomasz Patton, co-founder of Jetson One. What characterizes the airbike is how it flies. It does not have wings or exposed rotors, but rather, a compact set of jet turbines tucked inside a razor-thin carbon fiber frame. That frame is 3D printed, feather-light, about 7 times lighter than a street-legal motorcycle, yet strong enough to handle the forces of flight. Riders straddle it like a motocross bike while leaning forward into an unobstructed 360-degree view. There are no spinning blades around, and the feeling is of pure speed and freedom, with nothing to conceal the horizon. An advanced flight computer continuously monitors tiny changes in weight distribution and pressure on the handles, adjusting thrust at the nozzles to keep the bike steady, whether hovering in place or darting through the trees. Top speed: almost 124 miles per hour. Flight duration: negligible 20 minutes. That's enough to bring every destination in less than 10 miles to within a few minutes. It weighs less than 90 pounds, and it possesses a thrust-to-weight ratio superior to that of many racing drones, making it agile enough for urban mobility or for search and rescue missions. Journalists who have seen it fly have also noted how it hovers in winds that are otherwise gusty without drifting huge engineering. There is yet no official date of release or cost, but interest is pouring in as it is. Investors, first responders, and thrill seekers view this rotor-free creation as highly promising.